Interstellar, which opened in theaters across the United States on Friday, November 7th, is a movie that delves into black holes and wormholes, and it touches down on more than one alien planet. The movie is set at some nebulous point in the not-too-distant future, where global crop failures threaten humanity with extinction. So a small band of explorers, led by a pilot-turned-farmer named Cooper, played by McConaughey, blast off to search for an exoplanet that could serve as a new home for the human race. There's a decent chance, if you've seen Interstellar, that you found yourself slightly baffled by the film's science. Like other science fiction films, Interstellar is unique, not because of its stunning visuals and sound effects, or its plot and story, but because of its fascinating production. What makes this movie so different from the others is that Interstellar was based in real scientific facts, provided by theoretical physicist Kip Thorne. All the scientist facts used in Interstellar were based in Kip Thorne's best-selling book, Black Holes and Time Warps. Hence the wormholes, tesseracts, gravitational anomalies, quantum theories, advanced mathematics, and even more advanced physics. An average normal person would probably ask himself, is this all true? Referring to all the science in the film. Well, the answer is no. Even though Interstellar had a lot of scientific background in its making, it is still considered a sci-fi movie. Some of the science in the film was a mix of Nolan's imagination and scientific theories. The film depicts the huge black hole of Gargantua as a black circle surrounded by a swirling mass of stars and galaxies, almost like a human eye. The distortion of the stars, known as gravitational lensing, was generated by computer models. In fact, the computer simulations were so accurate that Thorne and the team discovered that black holes are slightly concave on one side and have a bulge on the other. It is the first time the phenomenon has ever been seen, and Thorne has now produced a scientific paper detailing the discovery. The black hole depicted in Interstellar is probably the only known accurate example of what it would look like to a human, if you could ever get close enough to view it. The term wormhole was coined by the astrophysicist John Wheeler, who based it on wormholes in apples. If an ant is rolling around an apple, he could reach the other side far quicker by traveling through the hole in the center. If you imagine the universe is a flat sheet of paper, you could travel between 2 points by moving in a straight line. However, if you bend the paper so that the points touch through it and they make a hole, you can reach that point much quicker. Essentially, a wormhole is where space and time are being bent so that points are now closer together. They can exist theoretically, but nobody knows how they could be held open so that someone could travel through it. It is extremely unlikely they could exist naturally in the universe. It would take a huge mass, like a neutron star, to create a bend in time which could push into the bulk and meet up another such tunnel on the other side. So far, nothing has shown any signs of doing that. Besides the concepts of family and hope for the future, Interstellar tries to show us how important our world is and how we have to take care of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.